Welcome to the Purr-fect Recipe Remake Show. I'm EK, your animated chef, with my furry taste testers, Romeo and Juliet. It was just another quiet afternoon until I flipped the page and saw it. Victoria sandwich, light, fluffy, regal. I looked at Romeo. He blinked. Juliet, already on the table. Decision made. Here's what we will need. 4 free-range eggs, some soft baking butter, caster sugar, self-raising flour, and a pinch of baking powder. Oh, and don't forget good jam for the middle. Maybe a little whipped cream if you're feeling fancy. Romeo's in charge of inspecting everything. And don't worry, the full list is in the description box below. Start by breaking the eggs into a large mixing bowl. Then add in the sugar. Simple, classic, and the beginning of something delicious. Next goes in the flour, baking powder, and soft butter. Juliet supervising closely, mostly to see if any butter drops her way. Time to mix everything together. You can use an electric mixer or a wooden spoon. Just don't overdo it. A damp cloth under the bowl keeps it steady, unless Juliet sits on it first. You'll know it's ready when the batter drops off the spoon like a soft, sweet ribbon. Now, divide the mixture between 2 tins. It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, unless you're Romeo, who insists on symmetry. Smooth the tops gently and try not to eat it yet. Into the oven they go, right on the middle shelf for about 25 minutes. I always check after 20. They're ready when they're golden, pulling from the edges and spring back when pressed. Let the cakes cool in their tins for 5 minutes, then carefully turn them out onto a cooling rack. Juliet's here to supervise the cooling, or maybe sneak a sniff. Now, for the fun part, place 1 cake layer upside down and spread it with plenty of jam. Add whipped cream too, if you're feeling fancy. Juliet definitely thinks we should. Alright, moment of truth. Soft, buttery, sweet. Total perfection. Romeo's trying to steal a bite. Juliet's judging. We love you, Mary Berry. This cake is a dream. And yes, Romeo and Juliet approve too, sending you all the love and spongy happiness. Thanks for baking with us on the Purr-fect Recipe Remake Show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share a slice with someone you love. See you next time with more cozy vibes, more recipes, and of course, more cats. Bye from me, Romeo and Juliet.
Romeo spins, Juliet sways, dreaming of Victoria's sandwich all day. Victoria's sandwich, soft and sweet, they can't stop, it's their favorite treat.